Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the heading element. The heading element plays a crucial role in structuring content, improving user experience, and boosting SEO. Here I have several heading elements on the page, and you can change the text for each heading by clicking like this. Let's walk through the options the heading element has to offer. First, we have heading tag. Heading tag is used for SEO purpose. You should use H1 heading for the most important title on the page, and H6 is the least important. Next, we have font option. You can select the font which will be used for the heading. For example, I choose Acme. You can also manage the font list by opening the font manager and select which font you want to use. Inside Zeno, you can also remove unwanted font from the list. Next, we have color option to change the color for the heading. You can change the font size. Please note that the heading tag does not affect the size of the heading. You will need to change the font size manually using the font size option. You can change the line height for the heading. Letter spacing, word spacing. Next, we have alignment, so you can align the heading to the left, to center, or to the right, like this. You can change the heading to uppercase, lowercase, or capitalized, like this. Add underline, line through, or overline to the heading. And set the font weight to normal, to bold, or to light. Next, we have font style. You can set the heading to italic or normal. Go to Advanced tab. You can toggle on and off visibility for the heading on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile, like this. You can adjust opacity for the heading, set a background for it to a color, or to an image. You can set border radius, and border color, border style. Enable box shadow. Like this. And even animations. Now let's walk through the process of creating a simple blog post for your store using the heading elements. First, I will insert the heading element into the page. This one will be used as the title for the blog post. I will set this one to H1 because it is the most important heading on the page. Then I will insert an image. This will be the feature image of the blog post. Add some margin for it. Set the image. I will insert the intro text here. And the first heading, add some margin for it. And set it to H2 because it is the second most important heading on the page. Then insert a paragraph here using the text element. I will duplicate this heading. Another paragraph. And I think I will insert a row here. Insert an image here. Set image for it. And another paragraph here. And it looks like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.